Year after year, Pakistan is battered by floods, and year after year, its people are left to fend for themselves. Despite billions in international aid after previous floods, the government remains unprepared. This monsoon season has once again exposed the hollowness of Pakistan's disaster response, as hundreds perish and thousands are displaced. A report.
Pakistan is no stranger to flooding. Built on fragile infrastructure, poor drainage, and rampant corruption, the country remains one of the most vulnerable in South Asia to climate related disasters. International donors have repeatedly urged Islamabad to invest in resilience, but political infighting and misuse of funds means nothing changes on the ground. This year, the warnings came true again. Flash floods triggered by intense rains since August 15 have killed at least 341 people, according to Disaster Authority. In total, more than 660 lives have been lost since late June across the country during the monsoon season.
जो कुदरती आफत आए इस पूरे इलाके पर उसमें 200 से ज़ायद लोग जो है वो कैजुअल्टीज़ हो चुकी है। इस वक्त भी सर्च ऑपरेशन जारी है, कुछ डेड बॉडीज़ अभी तक रिकवर नहीं हो सकी, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ है, जानी नुकसान हुआ है और माली नुकसान का तो अरबों में हुआ है, उसका हम अंदाज़ा नहीं लगा सकते। इस वक्त एक्टिविटीज़ जारी है बहाली के लिए।
The worst devastation came in Buner district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where a rare cloudburst dumped over 150 millimeters of rain in just 1 hour, unleashing torrents of water that swept away homes, livestock, and entire neighborhoods. Officials admit that over 200 people were killed in district alone.
क्लाउड बर्स्ट हुआ है, यहाँ पे तो कोई समंदर वगैरह नहीं है, क्लाउड बर्स्ट हुआ है और एक सैलाबी रेला है। तो ये चूँकि जो मेन उसका पॉइंट था वो यही था, यहाँ पे ये क्लाउड बर्स्ट हुआ है, यहाँ से आगे फिर पानी गए। तो ये मुकम्मल तौर पर अगर मुकम्मल तौर पर नहीं है तो 70-80% ये गाँव जो है वो मलियामेट हुआ है, और अगर मलियामेट पूरा नहीं हुआ तो डैमेज तो एटलीस्ट सारे घर हुए हैं।
Drone footage shows the devastation: collapsed houses, blocked roads, washed out bridges, and families stranded. Survivors accuse the authorities of neglect, saying that no one from the government reached them in time.
Garaji kaka sasu dera manana shuraji tausu mate dura lo samro ligi ta sitrawo rusa pore mong matlab dera na MPA minez nur do tarik insaf pala takriban da hukumat yo kasna yakhara shoy akal silab charaga na tatafuna ala wada kurun gandi musalsal da gabar sar nawal pa makhra rawanu rakhira pore da tol de walne warsh lol takriban bafal kur ki takriban shpak kasan manga de budu koriu ايوه ماشون دمت كان دادي وركن خطه و تقريبا 2 घंटे दे पसा شو من पतन लगे दा यो قیامت زمون कर جوړ شي را الګ شو بار لمغه پر سو په زیره بر وخه جوړو 2 घंटे پس بیا مون आवाजونه چغه وهاله د आवाज راغی په اوس بیا په زیره رالو 2 घंटे پس هغه موږ راوځو.
The crisis is not confined to the north. In Karachi, heavy downpours have once again brought the city to its knees. Gridlocked traffic, power outages, and waterlogging turned Pakistan's financial capital into a death trap, with at least 17 fatalities reported from electrocution, building collapse, and drowning. Fatima Bhutto on X: this corrupt party can't manage rain even though it rains every monsoon season since the dawn of time. What do you do for the people with your power? Nothing. Citizens say that every year Pakistan's leaders hide behind excuses of unprecedented weather. But the reality is that decades of negligence, poor planning, and corruption have left the state incapable of protecting its people from predictable monsoon rains.
रास्ते बहाल करने चाहिए, बिजली बहाल करनी चाहिए, सिग्नल नहीं है। ऐसा है, ये अभी भी खतरनाक है। गांव के ऊपर ये पानी एक साइड पे करनी चाहिए एक्सवेटर और मशीनरी के ज़रिए से, ताकि ये एक साइड पे बह जाएं, ताकि दूसरी साइड पे लोग अपना काम वगैरह अपनी बहाली जारी रख सकें। हुकूमत से पुरज़ोर मुतालिबा है जितनी भी मशीनरी है वहाँ वो यहाँ पहुँच जाए, ताकि हमारे जो मुतासिरीन हैं उसकी बहाली में हम मदद कर सकें।
The pattern is clear. Pakistan's people suffer, its government deflects blame, and the cycle repeats every monsoon. For flood victims in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Karachi, the rains may have passed, but the real storm, the storm of the government failure, is far from over.